Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Robert brought us in his Street Glide Standard for an audio upgrade. The bike had a Boss audio system on it that he just wasn't happy with the output. It was an older setup. It's not the newer stuff they have out. So he just wasn't able to hear it on the highway. He just wanted a simple stage 1 setup with speakers in the upper pharynx and speakers in the lower pharynx, just something that you can hear on the highway. So we went with our stage 1. We did a Sound Digital Evo XA 100.4. The Standard does not come with a radio, and he had a Jensen marine unit that he wanted installed. So we made a custom plate on the laser and then installed it into a Metro Dash kit. So we're able to install the radio without cutting up the bike or hacking it up. So we made a plate to make it mount to the Metro kit, and then the Metro kit mounts to the Harley fascia. We used Sound Digital Evo XA 100.4, HKI Mini DSP, and to get them as much mid-bass as possible out of 6.5s, we ran Ground Zero Yellow Basket coaxes in the fairing and the lowers. So check out the build. Okay, so we got a little wiring rescue going on and an audio upgrade. Police bike, so we're gonna make a custom plate to install this radio, and then we're gonna do our stage 1. Okay, so we have Sound Digital Evo XA 100.4, HKI Mini DSP, our composite mounting plate, 100% waterproof. We have cleaned up all the connectors. And here we have the Jensen marine head unit, custom installed, nice and neat, nice and flush.